If you thought Ring was only for the front porch, buckle up because we're going to dig into the 4 things you must know before you pick a Ring alarm security system to protect your whole home. But before the big reveal, be sure to like and subscribe to this channel, and that way you won't miss out on any security news and brand new reviews published every single week. And to see how Ring stacks up to other big names in home security like ADT and SimpliSafe, check out our video reviews of those brands and go to our full lineup of the best home security systems at Safewise.com. It's linked below. To help you decide if Ring is the right security system for you, here are the 4 things you need to know before you click buy. First, Ring's upfront costs are some of the lowest you're going to find. Second, Ring's tech and equipment get the job done, but they have caused quite a stir about privacy issues and partnerships with police, which you can learn everything about in an upcoming video. Stay tuned. Third, Ring's contracts don't exist. Yay! And finally, Ring's monthly monitoring fees are the best deal in home security. When it comes to home security, you don't want to skimp, but you still need to watch your budget. Ring Alarm is the absolute best choice if you're looking for a budget-friendly security solution that still delivers most of the things you expect from a security system these days. As with any DIY brand, you have to buy your Ring Alarm security equipment upfront. But Ring's basic security kit is one of the cheapest on the market, starting at right around $200. Which is an even better deal when you realize that you can't even get the Ring Video Doorbell Pro for under $200. And a doorbell camera only covers one entry point of your home and doesn't include the option to add professional monitoring. Ring's starter price also beats DIY champion SimpliSafe. Their lowest price equipment package starts around $230. Now, it's true that you can get into bigger security systems like ADT or FrontPoint for $99 down or even $0 down, but those down payments can be deceiving. A long contract might be required, and higher monthly fees are almost always attached. The bottom line is, if you're looking for an affordable way to get home security without any strings attached, you can't do better than Ring. For just a couple Benjamins, you can have Ring Alarm on guard for your home as quickly as Amazon can ship it. While we love the price for Ring Security Starter Kit, it's a really basic package. Ring classifies its kits based on the number of products included in each. The starter kit comes with 5 pieces: a base station, a keypad, 1 contact sensor for your door or window, 1 motion sensor, and a range extender for your home Wi-Fi. No doubt, that's everything you need for basic home security, but with only 1 contact sensor, you can only protect 1 door or 1 window. But we know a way to make the most of this slim starter pack. Use the motion sensor to guard the front door. That way you can get alerts about any action in this main entry area without using an additional contact sensor. This frees up your single contact sensor to guard a back door, patio door, or even an inviting ground level window. So now you have double the protection without spending another dime. Ring also offers kits with 8 or 14 security devices, depending on the size of your home and the number of vulnerable entrances you need to protect. But beyond the basics, here are some of the biggest perks of going with a Ring Alarm system. There's built-in Amazon Alexa integration, and most of the kits come with a free Echo Dot. That's about a $50 value. Plus, you get Alexa Guard integration. This gives you an extra layer of monitoring that's absolutely free. And we've got a video in the works that will show you how to set up and use Alexa Guard with or without a security system. You can also add on other Ring products like video doorbells, smart cameras, and smart lights. Plus, Ring's app is available without a monthly subscription, but the free version is limited. You have to upgrade for video access, but the best news is that upgrade will only cost you $3 a month. That's less than 1 venti soy latte from Starbucks. I spend too much at Starbucks. The Ring app also includes the Ring Neighbors app, which you can get even without owning one Ring product. Just be sure to educate yourself about the pros and cons of these types of neighborhood watch apps, especially when it comes to how they work with law enforcement. We've got the full scoop about Ring, privacy, and Ring's police partnerships on our Ring FAQ page at Safewise.com. At the end of the day, we think Ring does a solid job of balancing no-frills home security with its more advanced product lineups like the video doorbells. But in its zeal to be a security innovator, Ring accidentally created a privacy mess that's proving pretty hard to clean up. Ring might be facing challenges with its proactive community security programs, but one area that's not controversial at all is Ring's contracts. There aren't any. In fact, you can use Ring Alarm to secure your home without paying 1 penny more than the initial cost of your equipment. But if you do want the extra reassurance of 24/7 professional monitoring, Ring's got you covered. Ring offers optional monthly monitoring for $10 per month or $100 a year if you pay for it in one lump sum. That gives you 2 free months. This is hands down the cheapest pro monitoring available, period. When you combine that cost with Ring's affordable starter kit pricing, you can get full service home security with 24/7 protection for 3 full years, which is the average home security contract. You can get all of that for less than $600. That's about 20% of the cost if you were to have a break-in. The average burglary results in about $2,800 in losses. So if money was the only thing holding you back from upgrading your home security, Ring pretty much annihilates that objection. You just can't find a better deal when it comes to giving your home and loved ones the relief and reassurance of monitored home security. Ring Alarm is stripped down and basic, but its prices reflect that, and it gets the job done. Plus, you also have options to upgrade your Ring system with its other product lines that range from the Ring doorbells to smart security lights. To get even more info on Ring Alarm, check out our full review on Safewise.com. And as always, stay informed and safe by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. We've got new product reviews, insider safety secrets, and more that's uploaded every single week. See you soon.